This isn't your average taco night. I am remixing Chef John's tried and true taco beef cups, wrapped in something cool and crunchy, petite romaine lettuce leaves, with my own twist. Welcome to Lay's Kitchen. First, the pickled red onions. They are sharp, sweet, and a little spicy, the kind of garnish that makes everything else pop. I slice up 3/4 of a red onion, pack it into a mason jar, and pour over a boiling mix of vinegar, water, salt, sugar, and chili flakes. Let that sit and work its magic while we move on. For the taco beef, I started by chopping cilantro, dicing a vine tomato, and grating a whole cup of cheddar. These toppings bring freshness and color. We'll come back to them in a bit. Then it's all about the spice mix. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, chili powder, cumin, and Mexican oregano. This is where the deep flavor comes from. In a large pot, I sautéed green onions in a splash of olive oil, then added 4 pounds of ground beef. That's right, 4. This is a great recipe for meal prep or using the leftover beef for nachos. After the beef was mostly cooked, in went a spice blend, ketchup, tomato paste, and a bit of water. I stir everything together and let it simmer until the liquid was nearly gone, thick, saucy, and perfectly seasoned. While the meat was cooked, I washed and dried the petite romaine lettuce. Their boat-like shape is perfect for holding all the taco goodness. Time to build. Each leaf got a hearty spoonful of beef, then a sprinkle of tomato, pickled onion, cheddar cheese, chopped cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. For little heat, you can add diced jalapeños. Whether you are hosting taco night or just want a meat that's equal parts hearty and fresh, these lettuce cups tacos deliver. Saucy, flavorful, and just the right amount of heat. These taco beef lettuce wraps hit every note. The crisp romaine brings that satisfying crunch, while the juicy, well-seasoned beef adds depth and richness. Then comes the pop of pickled onions, a hint of cheddar, and that bright squeeze of lime to tie it all together. Light, refreshing, and still totally indulgent. Thanks for joining me here in Lay's Kitchen, where flavor is never optional and freshness always leads the way. See you next time. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.